Hello everyone, good day to all. So today I am going to share class 9th English question paper periodic test 3 2024 and 25. So first of all, read the instructions carefully. Section A, reading 10 marks. Section B, writing and grammar 10 marks, and section C, literature 20 marks. So first question is comprehension passage. Section A. So read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. So there are 10 questions and you have to read this passage carefully and answer the questions according to the passage. So questions are below. Look at the questions. So these are the questions and move to the next section. Section B, writing and grammar, which is 10 marks. Do as directed. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. First of all, first question is you have to change the sentence into indirect speech. So he said to her, do you like apples? So answer will be, he asked her whether she liked apples. So next, question number B, the teacher said the First World War started in 1914. So this is historical fact. So there will be nothing changes and you have to add only that the teacher said that the First World War started in 1914. So this is historical fact. Next question, identify the error in the below given sentences. Louis Braille on 1825 developed a special script for the blind. It has known as a Braille script. So what will be the correction? Louis Braille on 1825 developed a special script for the blind known as a Braille script. You have to remove it has and write known as a Braille script. And next question, I want to tell you one thing. Louis Braille Lipi was developed in 1824, not in 25. So this is not your error. So error is sentence grammatically mistake with it has. Okay. So move to the next question. Change the following sentences into passive voice. You will not disturb me. So what will be the right answer? So right answer will be I will not be disturbed by you. Next question B, he does not obey his teachers. Obey is a intransitive verb, so you have to write as it is because it can't be changed into indirect speech into passive voice. Move to the next, fill in the blanks with appropriate modal. So you have to fill in the blanks with modal verbs. So first answer will be he to buy a car. So what will be the suitable answer? So needs will be the suitable answer. He needs to buy a car. Move to the next. B, should prepare our lessons well before examination. So move to the next question. Next question is fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. You have to. The district magistrate visited every flood affected area. So every is the correct answer. Question number B. He is the first boy who has joined this gym. So first is the right answer in this question. Move to the next. Question number 3. So recently you got an opportunity to meet few courageous girls who, despite serious opposition from their families, continue their education. This has made you feel both proud and concerned about these girls, and you decide to write a letter to the editor of newspaper emphasizing upon the need to promote girls' child education. With your own ideas, write the letter in about 120 words. So write a letter to prepare yourself. Make an entry of what you saw the experienced on your visit to an old age home in diary in about 120 words. So you have to write a diary in 120 words. move to the next section, which is section C, literature. This section is from your textbook. So read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. This chapter is taken from A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal, written by Wordsworth. So what will be the read the paragraph, read the extract of the poem and answer the following question. Why does the poet have no human fears? So as you know that because of his spirit is relaxed and in a state of sleep. Why can't she feel the touch of earthly years? Because she was no more, she was dead. That's why she can't feel. Ever mentioned poem is written in the form of elegy. Who has she been rolled round in earth during course? So if you have read the poem, you got the answers and move to the next question. Answer any three of the following in 30-40 words. So these questions are also from your textbook and I hope you will prepare yourself and this will also help you in your examination and good luck. Bye bye.